Hello, traders. This is Andy from Trade Ideas, and it is April the 24th on a Monday. And looking at the market here, boy, the SPY's opening up really flat. It's been kind of been going nowhere really fast here over the last several weeks. Q's even more so, just in a really nasty range. I mean, just not going anywhere. So, but that doesn't mean there can't be some opportunity out there. So let's take a look around. A lot of my trade ideas scans have been showing some opportunity, and let's take a look at this ENPH for today. I like what I'm seeing here in a possible cupping handle on the bottom here. You've had the nice little cup there and could be building a handle. Just watch it above this 231.40 level. Maybe if it gets above there, it could have some, may want to approach this high going back over here. Let's see, Nike is actually holding up pretty good as well. If I can find it here. There it is. And yeah, Nike above all its moving average kind of looks like the SPY. So be careful. You may need a market move to get this. Uh, Shop, I like the way it is setting up as well. And uh, just holding well above its moving averages, pulled back 3 days, did a little bar reversal yesterday. Let's see if there may be some continuation in that SHOP. And I love this wedge we're building here in CSIQ. It's a Canadian solar company, and boy, it's looking really tight through here. Could go either direction, but if it does get above the $40 level and 80 cents, it could be a move there. So just set your alert right there, maybe around 40.75. All right, guys, that's it for today. There's some others on there. If you're with Trade Ideas, you can follow those in real time. Have a great day.